Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use the Rosetta Stone app to learn a new language effectively. So before we dive into the app, let's quickly go over what Rosetta Stone is. So Rosetta Stone is a language learning app designed to teach new languages through immersive and interactive lessons. It doesn't rely on translations, instead it uses images, audio, and speech recognition to help you naturally build vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation, just like how children learn their first language. Now, let's open the app and get started. So at the bottom of the screen, you'll see three main tabs. Here's what each one does. On the left side, you'll see Home icon. This takes you to the main dashboard. And this is where you'll see your current course and available units like Language Basics or Greetings and Introductions. You can also start or continue your lessons from here. In the middle part is the speech bubbles with bars. This opens the progress and practice dashboard. You can also check your progress, practice pronunciation, view your learning stats, and suggested activities. On the right side, you'll see the lock icon. This takes you to the premium section. You can unlock more advanced lessons here, upgrade your subscription, explore additional content and features. Now, at the top left corner, you can select the language that you want to learn. I'm learning Korean in this example. When you tap on a unit like Language Basics, the app may switch to landscape mode for a better learning experience.
안녕하세요.
여자아이,
In each lesson,
남자아이,
you'll be asked to tap the correct
여자아이.
image or person based on what's being said without any translation. This helps you learn through context and repetition.
남자아이,
And that's it. That's how you use the Rosetta Stone app to start learning a new language in a fun
주스,
and natural way.
주스.
Thanks so much for
주스.
watching. Happy learning and see you on the next one.